Have you ever wondered what would happen if World War III broke out today? It's a sobering thought, but one worth exploring through a hypothetical simulation, using real-world data to understand the potential consequences. Let's dive into this complex scenario, not to scare, but to appreciate the fragile peace we often take for granted. Imagine this: simmering geopolitical tensions suddenly boil over. A regional conflict escalates, pulling in major world powers through a web of alliances and treaties. The first 24 hours would be a whirlwind of digital and electronic warfare. Satellites would be targeted, communication networks jammed, and critical infrastructure like power grids and financial systems would face massive cyber attacks, causing widespread chaos before a single shot is even fired in the traditional sense. Next, conventional warfare would begin, but unlike anything seen before, we'd see fleets of stealth bombers, hypersonic missiles traveling at unimaginable speeds, and swarms of autonomous drones dominating the skies, seas, and land. The initial battles would likely be fought over strategic choke points like the Strait of Hormuz or the South China, aiming to control vital shipping lanes and resources. Major military bases around the globe would become immediate targets. The economic fallout would be instantaneous and catastrophic. Global markets would crash, supply chains would be severed, and the flow of essential goods like oil, food, and medicine would grind to a halt. We'd see panic buying on an unprecedented scale, and economies worldwide would spiral into a deep depression. The interconnectedness that defines our modern world would become its greatest vulnerability. Now, for the most terrifying aspect, the nuclear question. The doctrine of mutually assured destruction has kept a fragile peace for over 70 years. But in a full-blown global conflict, with one side facing conventional defeat, the temptation to use tactical or even strategic nuclear weapons would be immense. A single nuclear detonation would change everything, potentially leading to a retaliatory exchange that could render large parts of the planet uninhabitable. The resulting nuclear winter would block out the sun, cause global temperatures to plummet, and lead to widespread famine. This simulation isn't a prediction, it's a stark reminder of what's at stake. It highlights the incredible importance of diplomacy, de-escalation, and international cooperation. The goal of exploring such a scenario is to reinforce our collective commitment to preventing it from ever becoming a reality. The path to a peaceful future is built on understanding, communication, and a shared desire for stability. Thank you so much for watching and contemplating this serious topic with us. If you found this thought-provoking, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more deep dives into complex what-if scenarios. Stay safe and stay informed.